All right, everyone, welcome back. Welcome back. Here's your introduction to the section of fundamentals of Ethernet LANs. What does that consist of? All right, we're going to get into now your typical small office, home office LANs. You will see that in a lab. All right, not in a lab per se, we have to configure, but at least I'll show you the devices and things like that. Typical enterprise LANs. All right, the variety of Ethernet physical layer standards. Oh, when we start getting into cabling and the physical layer standards, you're going to see that there's going to be a lot of things. Now they're really trying to get, as they weren't as detailed before when it came to cabling. Now they're trying to get a little bit more, and they go from 10 base T, I don't know why, but 100 base T, 1000 base T. I mean, we have graphics and things to show you the pinouts and stuff like that that you need to know. But standards are the most important. Consistent behavior over all links using Ethernet data link layer. Then the building. This is where we start getting into the UTP, the unshielded twisted pair cabling. Now, they don't go so much as into the screened shield twisted pair or shielded twisted pair. They really just talk about unshielded twisted pair because we all know people don't want to spend a dime for cabling a network or anything like that, but they should. But we will be talking about cabling. Transmitting data through twisted pair cabling. What happens, right? We're going to break that down. What happens when information goes through twisted pair cabling? We're going to learn about the pinouts for 10 base T and 100 base T, and basically those are your standards, okay, that you're going to learn about. And then we'll look at the color codes and all that good stuff. All right, choosing the right cable pinouts. Again, as long as you know the color codes, the pinouts are going to be the same. You have your straight through, crossover, rollover, same type of things. And then UTP cablings for 1000 base T. All right, and you'll know the difference. We'll go over it. Not a big deal. All right, but we'll certainly touch upon that. Then we're going to go into sending data in Ethernet networks. Again, the data link layer, they're trying to hit on that really good. Ethernet addressing, we're going to look at the frame. All right, the actual layer 2 of the OSI. All right, we're going to take a look at the type of addressing, identifying network layer protocols within an ether type field. So we'll take that packet and we'll look at the actual header and we'll see how that information that we know what is it that we're using. And then error detection within the frame check sequence. All right, we need to understand that. Sending Ethernet frames with switches and hubs. I'm going to tell you right now, we know this, or we should know this. If we don't, you're going to know it. Hubs are no longer used, okay? Collision domains, we'll talk about that. Collision domains, broadcast domains, segmenting, all that good stuff. So yeah, hubs, bad. Switches, good. That's what it should say. All right, sending in modern Ethernet LANs using full duplex and using half duplex with LAN hubs, which nobody does. Okay, but I guess you got to know. So we'll create labs so you can see how things work, and we'll trace the packets and all that good stuff. All right, so this is going to be our section. So I can't wait to see you inside. I'll see you then.